As you have seen in our last episode, we are doing a 5-day trip, this time with a bigger camper van. Welcome to our home for next 5 days. Last night we drove to our first location, Baranjuk Reflection Park. Now we are starting with our day 2. Good morning guys. Yesterday we checked into this Reflection Caravan Park. It was raining the whole night.
The rain had just stopped and we thought that we'll take a walk down to the lake and just explore this caravan park. So in this caravan park, you will find powered as well as unpowered sites, and there are also cabins which are there. You can put your own tent, bring a trailer, bring a caravan, and just enjoy the nature around. So at this powered site, we have water supply as well as electricity. As you see, I have plugged in the pipe here to the tap, and the other end goes inside the freshwater tank. If you need regular supply, you can just plug in the hose here and you get regular supply. In the powered site, we have this power supply which is here. So we have plugged the cable here, and the other end goes to the camper van, as you see here, and you get power to 40 volts inside the camper van. So last night we had some problems with the power. The power was not coming inside the camper van. We called up the office and they sent somebody today morning and they fixed it. So now we have power inside our camper van. Over here we have the gas supply. As you can see, it's a full filled gas bottle which is here. Last night we did not have power, so we were actually running the refrigerator out of this gas supply. And over here is the cassette toilet, and just open here, pull out the cassette toilet, and you can just drain it in the dump.
So guys, this place is really very big, beautiful and a bit off track. Just 200 meters walk from our campsite, we have come to this very big and beautiful lake. This is called Baranjuk Lake. It's very famous for fishing and boating activities. On the way, we also spotted some kangaroos, some wildlife and lots of birds. There are also dedicated picnic areas and barbecues inside this park. So this park has everything that you need to come and enjoy your holidays. Last night it was raining and today it's extremely hot. We found a general store here and we found some ice creams. We have come to the Baranchuk Dam. It is located on the Marambegi River. It was built in 1928 and it's around 93 meters high.
So the best thing in a camper van is that you can just stop anywhere and start cooking. So I'm going to cook some food here. We have already set up our tables and chairs. So let's get started with our food plate. So we are going to have some marinated chicken along with some Mexican brown rice. And we'll also have some chilled French wine. So the chicken is getting cooked here. We'll start with our wine. We don't have the wine glasses. We have these ones, but nevertheless, it's good. So our chicken is ready and we also have the Mexican rice which is also set. Just put the chicken with the Mexican rice. We were having food and see who showed up. A bunch of kangaroos.
Well, that's the end of today's episode. It has been a very relaxing day. Tomorrow we are off to a new destination. Do subscribe to keep following our journey. Bye.